Mayor Mamay.
Madam Chair, this is also in relation with what they are discussing right now as to illegal drugs, because this is very alarming nowadays because of our lenient action in combating so. So as the frequent report received in our offices, there is a rampant selling of illegal drugs. So with this, Madam Chair, we need to intensify and tighten our mechanism in combating illegal drugs so that we'll be able to sustain our drug-free status. And also one thing that caught my attention is the revelation of some of our men in uniform, the hesitance in executing mandates by the higher authorities due to fear that it might compromise their work condition. So again, with this, here comes the comparison of the previous and the current administration as to the combating illegal drugs. So I hope this must be given a preferential attention.
PD Bali. PD.
Yes, yes, Mayor. We will intensify, and actually, nag-usap na kami ng mga chief of police ko at saka together with the DOJ, yung sa ating mga prosecutor, because in combating these illegal drugs, sometimes, and actually, may mga problema tayo in the application of our search warrant, Kasi there are, in the part of our justice system na talagang nagkahigpit na in our application of search warrant. However, with this kind of requirements, we are trying our best, We are trying our best talaga na itong province natin maging drug-free, Actually, based on our investigation, sa totoo lang, sa tinuod lang yun, we are not the source of drugs. It's Maging, Lanao Sur. Diretsuhan na tayo. We have our link diagram on that. So, hagbungan lang tayo. Ang problema, doon manggaling sa interior area. So, this is a challenge for all the mayors on the interior municipalities. Please help us. Even our Philippine Army, they're helping us, Feeding information of these drug personalities. Kailangan natin magtulungan dito. Kailangan matulungan dito. Tama siguro. Puris tayo na province according to them. Paano tayo maging source? Hindi We are not the source of drugs. Nasa kabila. Kailan? Paano natin ma-stop ito, ma-prevent ito kung hindi kayo mag-operate sa amin o hindi kayo through our barangay chairman, Help us, please help us. That's all, Madam Chair.